channel. I'm going to the library. Hi, Odi. We just came out from the library. This is the state library. We just sat for 1 hour and it was over already. Time's up. Next day, next Saturday we'll be visiting. Bye. So where are we going on the let's have some street food. We are going to buy some ice cream. Yum 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 yum. Bank mini park. They're not allowed to enter. Hi, so we are going back. We'll have some street food now. You look so fat.
I look so
Lipstick
thin.
lắm bảo đi có chuyện nào.
I am
Lấy lipstick của kìa.
I'm get ready together.
We will go to UOC for some street food. We don't have enough money, so we can't afford to go to restaurant. So we will just have some street food. We are also craving for street food. No, Odi? Yes or no? Yes. We just spent 1 hour in library and had some ice cream and just had some walk. Ice cream. Now, street food. It's hot, but we want street food. My hair is not hairy anymore. This is my look. Let's go. Let's go and grab some chole motor.
What's that again?
Chole motor. Okay, now bye. अभी व्यू देखेगा. Hi Odi. Odi. Just working on our legs. Let's shift from here. plastic with.
और जीतता वाला भी लेगी
Easy level. Money tower. Money tower.
दीदी को बोले मूर्ति खाओगे
Thank you. Anggo, momo support. Nah, tidak. Thank you.
Kalau panda saya kurang kali itu.
very spicy
Very
Kalau
spicy.
betul.
It is
Extreme.
fried momo is good.
extreme
Let
spicy
me show you. Let me show you the fried momo. See, so good, so yummy, so yummy. Cheers. Hi, I'm going back home. Odi and I we just departed our ways right after we had some street food. I had to take the bus, so I'll have to end my vlog here. I couldn't upload any videos because I've been busy with my college activities and I have dissertation to write also. That's why I went to the library today. It's so hard to record video. So, bye! See you in the next vlog. I'll be uploading exciting vlogs after I finish my semester exam and my dissertation. I mean, this Christmas maybe I'm going to upload a lot of pictures. So bye!